Hi everyone, let's create the presentation today and see what we are going to create. Okay, you see it has a great effect. Let's try to create it. The effect not must be very hard to create. Easy ones, always the beautiful one. After inserting a new slide, we need to create a circle, but you see when we are going to create it, the circle is not happening. What we do, we hold the shift and create the circle. Okay, after that we need to align them here and copy another one and align them here. Okay, it's good. Some of you may ask, is there a better way for aligning them? Sometimes there is. For example, you can align it in the left, but the problem by using this thing is that when you are going to use this thing, it align it from the side. You must bring this out and then align it. Sorry, let me see if I can. Okay, I can take that, but the problem with that is the disruption. You can fix that, but you can do some work. I don't really think we need that. After that, we select these two shapes. We need to give them some shadows. For that, we format the shape. In the shadows, we are going to give it left and give it right. And then we select this and we color this with the beautiful color with this blue. It's very amazing. And I'm going with a little this blue. Okay, this dark blue. After that, we select these two shapes, go to shadows. And the important thing is that we increase the size of the shadows a little bit. Okay, it's good. Now the text is the important part. The text is Overdrive Sunset font. We select this part and color them individually. We go here and color them, for example, let's say this blue and this yellow. It's good. I love it. And then after that, we copy that. In this slide, we increase it in size. Sorry. We increase it in size, then bring this thing to top. And after that, we copy the text. Let's make the text white. And we copy this slide. Okay, it's not a problem. We copy this slide by using Ctrl C. Then we copy this thing, increase it in size, paste it here. And also we select this thing one by one and make it dark blue. Okay, it's nice. Now set the transition to morph and you see the magic happened. It's looking as great as possible. And you see, I hope you enjoy it. It's nice for me to creating that. I hope you use it. Have a nice time.